A day in the life of an urban dweller begins with the tick-tock of a clock. The alarm rings, family members rush to be where they need to be. Vehicles move noisily on the road. There's deadlines, meetings, and chores to finish, and finally, the day ends with hardly any time to sit and stare. On any busy day, humans have to process far too much information and stimulation, leading to cognitive fatigue. Most urban populations suffer from attention fatigue due to their lifestyles that impose increasing demand on their cognitive resources. Kaplan's attention restoration theory (ART) framework suggested that people in urban environments can restore their ability to concentrate by spending time with nature. Natural environments elicit feelings of pleasure, lower stress levels, reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, and encourage more effortless brain function. The brain gets time to recover from the fatigue and its directed attention capacity is replenished. So, what should a natural environment have in order to provide us with mental health benefits? The natural environment should be such that it allows us to immerse in it. It should be serene. It should provide an escape from habitual activities. You may feel like taking a long walk or simply laze near a water body enjoying the crisp, fresh air. Soft fascination is those aspects of the environment that capture attention effortlessly. For example, there can be the sparkling blue water or colorful flowers. The green meadow with sheep grazing catches my attention all the time. It should be compatible with what the individuals want to be exposed to and what they want to enjoy. So when these four factors are present in the natural environment, then it will definitely have a positive impact on our mental health. Although the attention restoration theory is a widely cited concept in literature, it does not have explicit support from empirical evidence. However, many of us find it therapeutic to spend time with nature because it calms our minds and delights our senses. Are you one of us?